Hello, and welcome to Exposing Truth for another health nugget. Our reason for sharing these with you is so you can prosper and be in good health even as your soul prosper. The information presented have not been verified by the FDA, but they have been verified by your creator, your maker, your king of kings. And today we're going to continue talking about that sweet subject. Now, many persons hear, when they hear that they are diagnosed with diabetes, type 2 diabetes, they believe it's the end of the world. Sister Taryn, is it the end of the world when a person is diagnosed with type 2 diabetes?
It is definitely not. And we're going to learn how to reverse diabetes today. Reversing diabetes. Recap. Diabetes is a chronic or long-lasting health condition that affects how your body turns food to energy. It is the inability of your body to make enough insulin, or it can't use it as well as it should. When this happens, too much blood sugar stays in your bloodstream. Over time, this may lead to serious health problems such as heart disease, loss of vision, and kidney disease. We said there are three types: type 1, type 2, which we'll be talking about today, and gestational. With type 2 diabetes, your body doesn't use insulin well and is unable to keep blood sugar at normal levels. It affects approximately 90 to 95% of people with diabetes. It develops over many years and is usually diagnosed in adults, but more and more in children, teens, and young adults. The symptoms are not readily noticeable, so it's important to get your blood sugar tested if you're at risk. Type 2 diabetes can be prevented or delayed with healthy lifestyle changes, such as losing weight, eating healthy, and exercising. But did you know it can also be reversed? Type 2 diabetes and weight. Medical research has found a direct link between type 2 diabetes and weight. It is believed that it results from the accumulation of fat in the liver, which induces insulin resistance and increases blood sugar production. This, in turn, increases plasma insulin levels, which then results in fat production, and the cycle continues. For further information on this research, you can see the link right here. The research found that almost 9 out of 10 participants who lost 33 pounds or more were able to reverse diabetes. Other effects of raised insulin levels include water and salt retention, which leads to raised blood pressure, increased risk of atherosclerosis, which is affecting arteries, and this leads to heart attacks, increases VLDL, which is very low density lipoprotein. This is a type of blood fat and a form of bad cholesterol. It may increase growth of certain cancer cells. It can cause ovaries to produce more testosterone, or PCOS, which leads to PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome. How can we reverse type 2 diabetes? Dr. Chatterjee says the only way to effectively reverse type 2 diabetes or even prediabetes is to deal with the underlying cause, insulin resistance. Trying to address the blood sugar levels with medication without addressing the insulin levels is treating the symptoms, not treating the root cause. It is similar to using a bucket to remove water from an overflowing sink rather than actually turning off the tap. Foods to avoid: all refined carbohydrates, all added sugar, all sweet drinks. What to do? Eat good quality, healthy, natural fat, such as avocados, olives, almonds, etc. Exercise more. It plays an important role in losing weight and improving diabetes. 30 minutes per day for 5 days a week of moderate intensity aerobic exercise is good, or 75 minutes of vigorous aerobic exercise weekly, or a combination of both spread throughout the week. Eating a low-calorie diet is essential, and it goes along with the exercise. However, eat instead of quantity of calories, focus more on the quality of the food you consume. Eat a whole food plant-based diet. This has been shown to significantly reduce blood sugar levels. Improve your gut health by eating 5 servings of different vegetables each day. Gut bacteria prefer the non-digestible fiber in vegetables, and a healthy gut, a happy you. Include high protein and fat in every meal. Eat meals sitting down at a table. Avoid distractions as they may cause you to eat more than necessary. Get the right amount of sleep your body needs. Fast intermittently. And as we mentioned fasting, Matthew 17, verse 21. Howbeit, this kind goeth not out but by prayer and fasting. The references for this presentation are Medical News Today, drchatterjee.com, WebMD, Very Well Health, and eatingwell.com. Thank you for listening.
Thank you so much, Sister Taryn, for sharing with us that type 2 diabetes can be reversed. It may seem to be hard work at first because we're going to probably have to do things that we don't normally like to do. But, as you recommended, eating a plant based diet, that can be very tasty. Plant based diet, very, very tasty and very trendy in these days. The exercise part of it is difficult for a lot of us. So, but, if what do we prefer? Do we prefer to keep the disease and get the medication, or do we want to rid ourselves of the disease? And God has provided ways in which these diseases can be reversed. So I'm thanking you for giving us this good news today. Do you have diabetes? How have you been treating your diabetes? Let us know in the comment below. Have you reversed your diabetes? As a matter of fact, go to our YouTube channel, Exposing Truth Ministry, and you will hear a testimony from Brother Charles William from Care Better Health. He had type 2 diabetes and it was reversed. My father, who was in his 90s, had type 2 diabetes and it was reversed. So it is reversible. Thank you for watching. Remember to share, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when a new health nugget is available. God bless you and have a wonderful day.